Yes, so today na waka dey waka so. Make una dey see every. Na so e be. Make una follow me. Yes, so we dey check my in-law place. Better people. Dey tell una. See my auntie for there. See am. That my auntie. Carry crab give me. The crab e set well. I never recover from the crab. Make I show una another thing. See, natural thing. And then they carry. I no get two. No get part two. Yes, we are in this place. Chinekele. Where are they now? Man, no go lost. Yes. Everything natural. Everything sengemenge. Yes, so. If you not see from my back, you go see that water. You dey see am so. Now there we dey get the water. We carry arrange everything. I no dey for this new generation. E good make you dey drink good water. But you see this one so. Now the one wey Baba God don arrange for we. So we carry am dey take Mele Square. Na so e be. Na your boy, na brother, na my dear. Make I show now how I dey enjoy too. If you no get better in-law, make you pray for better in-law. If you never marry, make you pray for better in-law, because the level and the respect and the temerity where your in-law go show you, it go determine how long you go enjoy for this life. Whether you agree, you no agree, say God bless you now. Amen.